How to give access to Google Forms. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can give access to someone else, or you can collaborate with someone else in a Google form. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is search for Google Forms and open its website up. You can head over to your docs as well, and there you should see your recent forms. Head over to that form, and there you should see your Google form. You can edit your stuff here and do stuff like that. So here you can see add or share option. If you tap on that, you can share access to someone else. So if I just tap on the email of my friend, and if I just choose the editor option here, now they will be able to collaborate with me in this form. I can also share this to anyone with a link. You can just send this first. Now they are the editor for this form. Also, if I tap on this published option, you can see the responder. They can be anyone with the link, and yeah, that is basically how you can add collaborators in your Google form. As you can see, people with access, and there it is. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.